So we're down here with the main man, Mr. Kuba. We have the 13 here, and this weekend we're going to be doing some filling. So while we got it welded, there's bits which need filling before we got painted. So we're painting it next Saturday, aren't we, mate?
Yeah, next Saturday.
Next Saturday we're painting the car. So the car's here, and we've just brought it down, and we're going to go over it. And what, we're going to sand it all, fly it all now?
Yeah, we'll get it all prepped.
Yeah.
We'll do all the filler work, deal with the dents and everything, and then we'll be ready for next weekend.
Just go in, light, clean, flash, whatever, and just paint.
Yeah, just mask out, clean, and we'll be ready.
Yeah, so we're going to be doing all the boring bits now. So we're flattening the whole, I didn't know we were flattening the whole car, it's pretty cool. So the car's here, I've actually took off the side skirts and off the rear bumper, just so Kuba can fully see what needs flattening. We're going to go over that the whole car. So Kuba has already done our new boot lid. We have got a new boot lid. It's got a ducktail, and Kuba's flattened it all and sanded it all and filled it all and made it look good. So we're just going to swap that over probably next week or whatever. But there's a few dents in the car. So there's one here which Kuba's been going at. He was just hammering it with a hammer. And this is where the car got welded last time, so Kuba's just flattened it all off. So basically we're just going to fill the whole car and get it ready for painting. Now I'm going to learn some bits because I just saw Kuba absolutely twatting the door with this hammer, and it scared the shit out of me. But Kuba's not scared. But I've not eaten all day, so I'm going to have to order a McDonald's now, otherwise I get very miserable, very angry, and I won't be able to do any work. So I'm going to order quickly on Just Eat. So how much filler do you think it'll need, mate? I've never done filler, I'm excited.
I don't know, we'll see.
We'll see. This bumper, by the way, guy, this is literally just on the car to make it road legal. This is a piece of shit, and we're not going to be doing it. Now, Kuba has pointed out one thing. He says that fiberglass, well, for many other reasons why fiberglass shit, this is another reason. To see all this bubble in here, says that fiberglass things just do it. You can flat it down and you can get all these bubbles gone, but they will come back in eventually. It happened on his dad's Subaru's spoiler, and it happens on everything. See all these little bubbles here? So we can get them off for the time being, but they're going to come back, right?
Yeah, they might come back after a few months.
Few months, but we're not scared because we're going to be sending it. And look, like I need to sort this. Look at my. I literally can't get my little finger between the fucking chassis and the wheel. But let's order McDonald's, because as I said, I'm going to get very angry if I don't have one. Is there a special way to filler, or is it just get it, bang it on, let it dry and sand?
Yeah, just get it on. Because the sanding is more important, really. You just want to have it in there, on there.
So do you have to block sand with this?
Yeah, block sand, yeah.
Is that so it makes it smooth
like
across
even.
a bigger surface?
Yeah, to make it even. Because if you do it like by your hand or with something soft, it just won't cut it straight. It will just make it wobbly. Right. So you need to block it. It's a bit cold.
So that means it'll dry quicker, or what?
Slower.
Right, so we've got another dent on this side, and I'm intrigued. Come on, what do you do?
So basically you can see where you started going through. So that's like a high spot. It's like that. This area you can basically feel it's low. Yeah. So this area is low, and that is high because you basically pushed it out. So like I did on the other side, it was literally exactly the same. I'm gonna have to hit this, because once this area goes down, this dent will start coming out a little bit, and then you just have to fill over it with probably one skim of filler, and it will be fine. Yeah. And then find a few other dents on this door.
Oh, fucking hell. Oh, gee, fucking hell. Right, so here is an update on the 13. Here's what it looks like. Done all this side. Like I said, we're not doing the bootleg, because we've got another one to go on. Bumper and stuff's there, but I've gone over it with a DA with a 320 and then a 500. And it's smooth. Tis smooth, tis smooth. It's a good little shot there, isn't it? Actually, that's a good little picture. Hang on one sec. So this was a bit where the big part of the welding was done. So it wasn't flat at all, was it, mate?
Yeah, just it had a little bit of a dent here as well, obviously from where you welded it. But
right.
It'll be fine. fine.
Yeah, it looks good. And this door, there's a dent here which Magical Cooper has done. It was a little bit. Oh, is it here? Oh no, it's there that bit.
Yeah, I just need to put a little bit more in there.
A little bit more on the wings, but I cannot wait to do one of them like videos where it's like build an S13 in 10 minutes. Alright, so here's where we're at. We've pretty much gone over every panel. Roof's all done. It actually looks a lot better now. It's like just looks like this. It actually looks like it looks more of, well, you can kind of visualize it a bit better with it all just being black and shit. Just on this side now where we've got a big bit here. What happened here? All the paint started flaking off.
Yeah, I think it was very thin layer of filler.
Right.
It might have been from the heat where it just lifted it off the panel. I'm not really sure. But it just started coming off.
So we're doing that bit now again. Just finishing bits of the doors, doing some blocking. Then we're going to drive to the Cooper's paint unit. And we're going to use proper primer. We were thinking about going to use, or Cooper was thinking about using aerosol primer, but he was saying how much filler it's had on some bits, like here. It'd be better to use the gun. So we're going to finish up here when we finish all this bits and drive to the spray booth and use the spray primer, right?
Yep.
Yep. Right, while we're here as well, we're going to change over the boot lid. There's a boot lid around the side. So let's get this one off. There's like 4 bolts and a hanger here, and then these just pull off 2 12mm. So let's swap it over. So this is what it looks like now. We're just going to prime it outside because the booth is being used. So we're just going to prime it outside. This is what it looks like now. Getting ready for all the prime. So we're going to be priming all the bits that we fillered. So here, this side we're going to be doing here. I think it's oh yeah, a little bit on the wing as well. Here is our new boot lid. That's just some leaves, don't worry about that. New boot lid here, old boot lid there. Hence why there's no boot lid. I've dropped 2 bolts down there somewhere. Probably never ever going to find them again. Oh no. There we go. The ducktail is on as well. It looks a little bit weird now because we've not got the side skirts or the bumper on. But from the back it looks meatier, miles meatier. So we've primed the bits that needed to be primed, and we're just going to basically put the rear bumper on, call it a day. And then next Saturday, is it just what's the process? We're going to drive in.
Yeah, so drive in, sand all the primer down that I just did. Just block it down, DA down, then just start cleaning it. Oh yeah, like those little chips on the bottom and stuff like that.
Yeah.
So fill them up.
What's that called? A stop?
Yeah, just stopper.
A stopper?
Stop it, yeah.
So basically what it means is like all these little chips here, apparently it's like a is it like a syringe filler?
No, it is basically a filler, but it's just for those little minor like chips.
Yeah.
So it dries really quickly, and we'll just put it on literally 3 minutes with DA off. And
yeah, because there's another bit on the roof as well, isn't there? Right, that's it there. Which is all right, we've done the boring bit.
Yeah, the long bit's done.
Quick flat, quick clean, and paint it. Oh my! Obviously, all the patrons know what colour we're going. Cooper, do you like the colour?
It's definitely different.
It's definitely different. No, he hates it. But I absolutely love it. I absolutely love it. I'll give you a clue in this video. It's not custom paint. It's a Porsche colour. It's a legitimate Porsche colour, and it's super rare. And there's actually a car. A very special car which is named the colour of the colour. That's how special this colour is. It's pretty fucking cool. And we're going to be taking the piss out of a few people by doing it this colour as well, aren't we? Yes. So it's half medium. I get to take the piss out of people by doing this colour, but also it's a fucking cool colour. It's a very rare, very special colour that Porsche did. Not going to tell the year because you might guess it. A lot of people probably already have guessed it. And I can't wait because how annoying is it when like people go on Instagram or whatever and everyone's like, oh, I went blue first, they're copying me, why is everyone copying my fuck off, it's a fucking colour, mate. Especially when you got a wrap. If you've got a wrap and you're one of those sort of people that goes, oh, I went that colour first, it's a fucking wrap. There's only so many colours of wrap. So it's going to be funny because a lot of people have got this colour. Not this exact colour, I don't know anyone who's got this exact colour, but this shade of colour. So I cannot wait to piss all the people off going, oh, well, I went this colour first. It's just triggering, just triggering a few people. It just annoys when people do that. It's like, oh, you're copying my rap. Well, don't go a rap then. And it's a fucking, there's only 6 colours in the fuck, is there 6 colours? How many colours is there? Blue, red on the colour chart. Blue, red, green. There's not many colours. So if someone goes the same colour as you, it's not the end of the world. There she is. Is it going to be easy to paint the MX-5, do you think?
Easier?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
It's actually smooth, you know?
It is smooth. Like, although it had a few layers of shit on, it's actually smooth, isn't it?
It's going to be completely different to the MX-5.
Yeah.
Plus we've got a lot more time to do.
Yeah, we have, yeah.
Spend on this. Obviously the front bumper's done.
Front bumper's done, and it's sick. The company who actually repaired that did a good job, didn't they?
Yeah.
Considering like everyone was turning me around saying you're never going to get that done, I'm actually going to leave. He was actually a really nice guy as well. He's based in Essex, and like he did it cheap, and it was an amazing job, was it? Considering how fucked it was.
Yeah, he was. Yeah.
He did a really good job. So I'm going to put his links on the screen because he really helped out. I know a few people have been asking me about fiberglass stuff. He was honestly really good. Didn't catch his name, but really good. It was actually really good. Are you excited to paint it, mate?
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah.
I like doing full resprays, so.
Yeah.
We
mentioned
nice
quickly blasting the wheels. Do you think we'll do that?
Yeah, I think we get the wheels done as well.
Yeah, just a gloss black because it's not the best colour in the world, is it? But we're just going to put the rear bumper on. It's getting dark. Going to pang the rear bumper on and go home. I'm going to drop off and get a pizza on the way. But again, Kuba is the man. I'm trying to zoom, but it's not working. Oh wow, damn baby. And we're painting, look, oh my god, look up, how have I got, what's going on with my face? We're painting it next Saturday, so by the time you see this video it might be like 4 days, but it'll probably be a week before I upload it. I'm not doing much to the car, actually no, I've got to do an alignment. Okay, we've got to do an alignment because it's literally all over the place. And I'm getting a lot of knocking from the rear end going around corners. And it's a welded diff and I know that they do knock, but the way this knocks, it's incredible. Like it's very, very knocky. So when it's getting alignment, I might ask them to just check out if there's like a bush on the rear that's like knackered or anything. But yeah, we need an alignment, so I'm probably going to go get an alignment on Tuesday, and then we're getting ready to paint on Saturday. But love you all, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.